If you grow hardnut garlic, then you need to harvest the garlic scapes. What's a scape? The scapes are the curved flower stalk that come out of the base of the garlic, and they terminate or end in this pointy tip, which is the flower part. And since they're so curly and fun, they're great for flower arrangements, by the way. So why harvest the scapes at all? Well, two basic reasons. One is they taste great, and I'm going to show you in a little bit 24 ways to use garlic scapes. Now, the other thing is that by harvesting the garlic scape, you'll end up with healthier, bigger garlic bulbs. Studies show that if you don't harvest the garlic scapes, then the size of your bulb will be smaller by 30 to 50%. And we all know that garlic is a beautiful thing, so we want to make the best of it. Size matters. Now, when to harvest your garlic scapes is a good question. When your scapes actually form a hook or a circle, and this will vary depending on the variety that you grow. Here in Kodiak, Alaska, I really like Siberian garlic, and I've been growing it for about 10 years. And I know that it creates this sort of shepherd's hook shape, and then I know it's time to harvest. So check your variety and look for, maybe if you can find it, the style or the circle or whatever it is formed, and then you'll know. Harvesting a garlic scape is very simple. You can use a knife or scissors, or you can snap them off. I prefer to use kitchen shears like this, and what you want to do is just clip it about an inch above where it appears above the top leaf. So about an inch above that. Simple, okay? Just like that. Now, what do scapes tell you about when to harvest your garlic? Very important question. When scapes start to appear on your plants, that tells you you've got about 3 weeks before it's time to pull your garlic, to harvest your garlic. But it's up to you. You need to check the appearance of your bulbs to see when it's time to harvest your garlic. Here's a quick lesson about how to know when to harvest your garlic. Let's say you take your fingers like this, and each finger represents a clove, and this is the stem, like this. Now, when you dig down to where your bulb is in the dirt, and you can actually just pull up a whole plant, but when you dig down, you should feel or be able to feel the actual shape or formation of the cloves. If they're sticking out like this and starting to separate out from the stem, it's too late. It doesn't mean you can't eat it. It just means the garlic won't store well. So that's what you need to do. Here's an example. The cloves, I can feel the individual cloves, but the papers, the wraps, are still intact. You can see how tight they are along here. So if the wraps were breaking open and the tips of the cloves were poking through, then it's a little late. Again, you can eat it, like you can harvest it and you can eat it, but it just won't store as well, that's all. Okay, now what to do with garlic scapes? I'll tell you. Okay, are you ready? Stir fry, sauteed with scrambled eggs, grilled, baked in salmon, salsa, pesto, pickled dips, flour arrangement chopped and frozen for use later. Vinegar infused in olive oil, pizza topping, baked in cornbread, soups and stews, chili, spaghetti in quiche, potato salad and kale salad, hummus, butter, and pasta. Now I'm going to invite my friends Dory and Kay to help me harvest all these garlic scapes. I hope you learned something today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Meanwhile, keep smiling. Have a good day. Cheers. Oh, hi. Oops. What's going on? What you need? Oops. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. We got a little pal here. Whoa. Nope. Nope. Whoops. Have a great week.